Did you go shopping?
Yeah.
Okay. What did you buy? What is it? Well, let me show me. What'd you buy me? Get it. What's that?
Why?
Fries? Okay, what else? Right here. Put it right here. What's that?
Corn.
Corn. Okay. What else?
Toast.
Toast. Okay.
And broccoli.
Broccoli? This is broccoli?
And more fries.
More fries. Okay. What else?
More cupcakes.
See, cupcake. What kind of cupcake?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Oh.
Strawberry. What else?
And nope. More food.
What is this?
Daddy.
What is this?
Corn.
Corn.
Nope.
What is it?
Celery.
To cut. To cut what?
Celery.
To cut celery?
Yeah. To eat.
What's that?
Cheese.
Cheese?
Okay.
This is cheese?
Yeah. Watermelon.
Watermelon. This is lemon.
Lemon.
Lemon. This is eggplant. Can you say eggplant?
Eggplant.
Yeah, what's that?
And toast. Nope.
No, what?
To eat. That's to eat.
That's to eat?
Yeah. To eat too.
What is this?
Toast.
You got it. What is it? Tomato. Can you say tomato? What's this?
That's cookie. And a cookie.
Oh, cookie. What else? What else do you have?
No more.
No more? Are you sure? No, eat it? Can you eat it for me? Here. Okay, here. Want a bite? Holy moly, that guy, that boy over there, look at him go. Holy moly, he likes that thing.